Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add $sign in Excel. Let us begin. In first step, select the number which you want to add $sign. From number section, click here, more number formats, go for currency. Here we have two decimals. You can increase or decrease. From symbol box, click here. What currency you want, you can pick it. We will go for dollar. Press OK. As you can see here, $sign added to all the numbers. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.